Welcome! Who's excited to be here this morning? What started off as 2 chapters in 2007 on opposite sides of the world has gained momentum as other organizers like yourselves have built GDG chapters all over the world in their local areas.
Honestly, my favorite thing about GDG Global is meeting people from all over the world and really understand what is different and unique and what they bring that I might never encounter otherwise.
The main goal is to connect with a great community. It's a unique chance to see all these people, like all the leads in one place. I find this very unique, and to share our own experience because we have what to share.
We have 3 goals that we've been trying to achieve. One is, how do you get actionable learning for people who want to transition into tech? How do you get representation so you get underrepresented people showing up? And basically, what makes us do what we do, which is like, we all have a passion for getting people, empowering them to do other things.
Well, if you want to run a really successful community, it has to be self-sustainable, able to actually scale in the minimum effort possible. So focus on your community, make it independent and self-sustainable.